Welcome back, students. So now we are going to discuss this part, analytical paragraph writing, with the help of example. Due to the problem of space, we could not write here the question. So looking at the answer, reading the answer, we will come to know that what is the question. Question, one table will be given, one graph will be given to you about the birth rate or death rate, because this question belongs to birth rate and death rate. See now, we wrote here in this way that we can write our analytical paragraph. Now see, this is what the introduction we have done. The graph shows birth and death rates starting from 19011 to 2101. This is what your first statement, that is your introduction, that the above chart shows, or the given chart data or the graph. So here we have started the graph shows in this way, birth and death rates starting from this and this one, 1901 to 2101. This is what your introductory statement. Now coming to the next one, the body in detail, because here in introduction we do not go into the details, but now coming to the body, where we will go into the details now here. Now see, since 1901 the birth rate has remained, as I told you, use the prominent points or the significant details. See, if we are writing about the years, so you can write in short about each year, otherwise prominent years. Since 1901 the birth rate has remained, plus contrast, similarity, everything that we changed, unchanged, such points that we need to include in this writing. So since 1901 the birth rate has remained more than, comparison also we can use here, more than the death rate. Since 1901 the birth rate has remained more than the death rate until 2041. Then birth rate was 20,000 in 1901. We are talking about in between what was the ratio there. Now birth rate was 20,000 in 1901 and started increasing. Use such words there. Started increasing gradually, slowly, gradually. Such words. Started increasing. It was constant. Birth rate was 20,000 in this and this year, into 1901, and then started increasing gradually. It peaked. This word. It peaked when? In 1961 to around 65,000. That is birth rate. Then from 1961 birth rate has fluctuated here and there. Fluctuated, sometimes coming down, then once again going up. So from 1961 birth rate has fluctuated. Such words, as I told you in a body content, in that video module, I told you that which words that you can use here. From 1961 birth rate has fluctuated multiple times. These words, it has fluctuated multiple times between 50,000 and 60,000. It is fluctuated. Such similarity, fluctuation, contrast, that is what your main highlights. These are your points, significant prominent points here, 50,000 to 60,000. Then it is expected to decline, coming down. It is expected to decline, what, for the coming years, reaching approximately 42,000 by 2101. So that decline plus increase, peak, all such things that you need to give here. On the other hand, such phrases that you can use here, such words. On the other hand, the death rate stood what? The death rate stood to at around 10,000 in 1901, and then it has increased steadily. Then from 1901 it has increased steadily there, and it is expected to rise strikingly from 2021. So in between, due to the space, I could not write some points here that you include. Due to the problem of space, I could not write all the information. So then the graph indicates a slight decline, the given graph, slight decline in deaths in the year 2101. Now coming, this is what your body contains, some more points that you can include. So then coming to the conclusion, overall, in a nutshell, in short, overall, now coming to the conclusion, overall, as opposed to the prevailing trends, what the death rate will be more than the birth rate. As per the prevailing trends, the death rate will be more than the birth rate in the later half of the 21st century. So this is what your conclusion we have summarized here. So children, in this way that you can present or you can state your analytical paragraph writing. Clear? So here so far we have discussed in detail all the points: introduction, body, content, conclusion, plus with example. I hope now it is clear to you. Thank you, students.